Toyota is putting a hybrid powertrain in almost everything they make right now, from the rugged 4Runner and best-selling RAV4 to the sleek new Camry. The appeal is obvious. You get a massive bump in fuel economy without having to alter your daily driving habits or search for charging stations. But right before signing the paperwork, a lot of buyers freeze. They picture a giant, expensive battery dying and leaving them completely stranded. People are literally choosing to spend thousands of extra dollars at the gas pump over the life of the car, simply to avoid the possibility of a massive repair bill down the road. This chart illustrates the problem. Right up here in the high anxiety zone is that dreaded battery bill. This purchasing decision is being driven by pure anxiety, rather than the actual math. We need to look at the empirical return on investment for owning a modern Toyota hybrid. We'll use a standard baseline, driving 15,000 miles a year, holding on to the car for 10 to 12 years. Even if we factor in the absolute worst-case scenario, a totally dead battery, completely out of warranty, you are still going to come out ahead. Specifically, I will show you how that hybrid choice results in a net positive return of $5,000 to $7,000 compared to buying the standard gas version. To clear up this fear, we must stop treating the hybrid system like a mechanical mystery and start treating it as a predictable financial equation. Let's address the 5-year battery lifespan rumor. Toyota has been refining this specific technology since the original Prius in 1997. That is over 25 years of real-world testing. The data coming off modern assembly lines is clear. Current hybrid batteries are engineered to comfortably cross the 150,000 to 200,000 mile threshold without failing. And Toyota backs up those lifespan numbers with a massive safety net. Every new Toyota hybrid comes with a guaranteed 10-year or 150,000 mile battery warranty directly from the factory. If it breaks, they pay for it. If you plan to trade in your car before that 10-year mark, you carry zero financial risk regarding the battery. But the financial benefits go beyond just the battery. We have to look at the overall mechanical architecture of the car. Hybrids benefit from something called maintenance deletion. By adding electrical components, Toyota actually removed several common failure-prone mechanical parts. Looking at this comparison table, you'll see a hybrid has no traditional starter motor and no traditional alternator to replace. And then there are the brakes. Because the electric motors handle most of the slowing down through regenerative braking, your brake pads take very little physical wear. They can easily push past 100,000 miles. Avoiding 2 or 3 standard brake pad replacements over the life of the vehicle saves you hundreds of dollars right there. Every starter, alternator, and brake job you don't have to pay for goes straight onto the positive side of your long-term return on investment. Buying a hybrid doesn't mean trading gas savings for expensive electrical repairs. It actually lowers your overall maintenance burden. Let's run the exact numbers, starting with pure fuel savings over a 10-year window. We'll compare a standard gas SUV getting 25 miles per gallon to a Toyota hybrid getting 40, driving 15,000 miles a year. This chart shows total fuel costs over 10 years. At average prices, the hybrid accumulates roughly $6,000 to $8,000 in pure fuel savings. Let's call it $7,000. Now, let's trigger the worst-case scenario. It's year 12, your warranty is gone, and the main battery completely dies. People think this means a $10,000 dealership bill, but that ignores the massive aftermarket industry that exists today because these cars are so common. You can easily get a fully refurbished, reliable aftermarket battery pack installed for just $1,500 to $2,000. Subtract that $2,000 penalty from the $7,000 you saved on gas and maintenance. Even paying entirely out of pocket for a dead battery, you are still $5,000 ahead of the person who bought the gas-only car. Knowing this math, let's map these outcomes directly to your specific ownership timeline. This diagram illustrates the decision tree. If you are a short-term buyer who trades in every few years, follow the left branch. You get daily fuel savings, higher resale value, and zero battery liability. Following the right branch past 200,000 miles, you may hit a $2,000 refurbished battery node, but the path guarantees a net positive return. Whichever timeline applies to you, the math guarantees a positive financial outcome. The anxiety over hybrid batteries comes from internet lore that is 2 decades out of date. Toyota's hybrid platforms are highly reliable, highly predictable financial instruments. Don't let any rational, mathematically disproven fear stop you from making a smart choice. Whether you are looking at a brand new Camry, a versatile RAV4, or a rugged 4Runner, opt for the hybrid powertrain. The math is clear, the savings are real, and you can finally enjoy them with complete peace of mind.